What's up guys, it's Enzo from EHK Customs, and in this video I'm going to be painting the interior of an Audi S3 to show you guys the versatility of Angelus products. To start things off, I'm going to be using leather prep and deglazer just like how you would do for any pair of leather shoes. This is the most important part of the process because you really need to prep this leather or else the paint won't adhere to it and it might crack or peel. Car interiors usually come in with a really strong factory finish, so it's important to break that down so you can paint on it. Now that we're done prepping, we're going to go ahead and lay down a base coat. Before we begin, I'm going to share a quick little tip with you guys. We're going to go ahead and lay down a base coat of light gray rather than white. It's going to make things a lot easier and save yourself some time. After 2 coats of light gray, you're only going to need a couple coats of white to finish the job. After that, I'm going to use 3 to 4 coats of fire red to finish some details. After all the paint is laid out, we're going to finish it off with some matte acrylic finisher. The purpose of this is to protect against minor scratches and scrapes, and we're going to give it a nice matte finish. After we're done letting that dry, we're going to go ahead and use some Angelus leather balm to condition the interior. To apply the leather balm, we're going to pour generously onto a microfiber cloth and then rub it all over the leather. After letting it sit for a couple of minutes, we're going to go ahead and buff it out. If you follow those steps correctly, you should come out with a dope new car interior. You can find me at EHK Customs on Instagram, and let us know what you want to see us customize next. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.